guys. This is the natural life of Mama Cat. I think she likes being on camera. Like, hey, you want pets? Okay. You pull me on. I cannot tell if she likes it or not. Mama Cat, I can't go up there. That's where my house is. I can't show them my house. You want me to pet you again? Or are you just resting? Mama Cat, I can't go any more farther. I can't show the community this. I don't want to get banned. You know, I'm not actually Australian. I don't know why I'm acting like I have this accent. Guess a glimpse won't hurt. Look at it. Okay, no more. Okay, just to let you know, you can say anything in the comments. Because I'm turning... You can even say bad words in the comments. Which I'd not recommend doing. Even though I allowed it. Don't ask why I did. Well, since Mama Cat's all the way over there, and I can't show you guys, well, I already showed you, so might as well. At least I don't show you my house number or my street. Oh, Mama Cat's back. Sorry. Mama Cat. Oh, I can't show you my card. The Mama Cat is cleaning herself. Try not to startle it. It's cleaning. Probably likes my presence since I can make my hand vibrate. Mama Cat, do you know you're cute? This is why I'm making a video about you. He's sitting there. Yes, Mama Cat loves me. Loves me, Mama Cat. Move to improve focus. I do not care. That's what it's saying on my screen. I'm sorry I startled you. You want some pets? Yes, this is gonna be probably a whole 8 minutes of Mama Cat. So you got like, I can't tell since this phone is a little cracked, but about 3 minutes and 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Mini mohawk, mini mohawk. I can't give you a mini mohawk. You need gel in your hair, which you don't have. Yes, this is what most of this video will be. What are you doing? Yeah, I'm gonna end it at 6 minutes. No, actually, I'm gonna do the 8 minutes. Mama, do you know you're cute? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What are you doing? What are you doing? Mama cat, what did I say about going to my house? Oh, that's all for Mama cat. Ow! Well, I guess that's all. Bye-bye.